Hey everyone, as you know, Jio has rolled out its new OTT platform JioHotstar after merging the Jio Cinema and Disney Plus Hotstar. So in this video I am going to tell you how you can get or install this new JioHotstar app in your Android device or iPhone. On your device, simple go to Google Play Store if you are using Android device or Apple App Store if you are an iPhone user and search for JioHotstar app. After that, click on Install button. Note if you already had a Disney Plus Hotstar app installed on your device, then in this case simple update your app to a newer version from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. After installation or update, simple login with your Disney Plus Hotstar or Jio Cinema login details, and that's it for this video. If you have any questions, comment. So if you liked this information, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech updates. See you in the next video.